Let's start na ngayon na. Sige na.
Hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan.
Sige na,
Pero
start.
under din yan sa kwan.
No, it's not.
Kasi parang maliwanag eh.
Hindi, mag-start
Wait
ka
lang,
na.
wag mo na i-waste yung energy mo na kwan yung kamay mo.
It's very dark, guys. Oh, di ko matlit na matlit.
It's much better.
Pasok doon sa bahay. Char.
Ah, yes, kasali ko siya. Like,
Open
ito,
din.
yung mga, hindi pwede i-open. Oo, kasi sa caretaker yan siya. May division, may divide, ano ba yung tawag dito?
Division.
Like,
siguro.
dinivide yan.
Huwag mo i-waste yung energy mo nga.
Tinitig ko.
Kasi magreklamo
Tinitig
ka
na-
kasi masakit na yung kamay.
Tinitignan ko lang yung perspective. Maganda kung sa talikod ka nagpunta. Nakakatakot. Nakakatakot yung mga tao. Musikip lang. Start.
Hi guys.
Sige na, sige na.
Wait lang, paano yung tone ko?
Yung buo.
Yung parang may ano.
Huwag
may-
mo muna i-erase yan. Para maisipan ko muna yung guys, I'm searching wrong from the good problem. Hi ma'am, I'm searching wrong.
Okay, now we're gonna tackle about the summary.
Now we're going to talk about the summary of the Tote Heart, written by the famous author Edgar Allan Poe. I will not bore you with the details about
Pero
the
I will
summary.
not bore you with any more details. Now, let's... Ganun. I will not bore you with any other... Parang kinakalma mo si ma'am. Parang boring ba siya?
I will not bore you with the little details about
Parang
the story.
yan. Kasi parang gumagaling-galing mo, mas nakakatakot yung lahat. Oo, no joke. Kasi parang may...
Parang ako na yung narrator na may ganito.
Oo, dahil parang ikaw na si
My God.
the unnamed narrator. Yes, yun. Oh, parang
So,
tapos katangos ng
Final.
ilong.
Wait.
Ano man?
The tale follows the story of a narrator who is suffering from a mental illness as he narrates to us about his plan.
as he narrates, wag nang i-ano ang as he narrates na lang.
As he narrates
Tapos
his meticulous plan in murdering an old man which
The
he
old
claims has vulture-like eyes in which he hates so much. Moving on. Characterization.
Sige na.
Ay, cut mo na lang yun. Until that lang.
Ah.
Hindi pala to. Palagi ito nakaplay. Ang dami nating bloopers.
Okay lang. Sige, start.
Hi ma'am, my name is Cyrus Amargon from the group Valiant Readers. As you all know,
I am going to tackle about the summary.
Alam mo, nung ako,